More often than not, when you're learning something, your screen is just flooded with tabs, and you spend more time switching between them than actually learning. Well, today I'm going to show you a tool that changes all that. It's called YouMind, the first AI creation studio that combines research, learning, and content creation in one place. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I'll take you step by step through how YouMind can help you learn something like Python, from setting up a study board to generating coding exercises, diagrams, infographics, and even beginner-friendly tutorials. We'll see how it organizes all the materials, lets you make notes, create summaries, and even generate audio guides, all in just minutes instead of hours. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how this tool can turn a messy learning process into a smooth all-in-one workflow. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in! Guys, when you're learning something, this picture probably looks familiar. Dozens of tabs open with docs and tutorials, videos, and Stack Overflow. You keep switching between them, trying to gather all the info in one place. Then you spend hours trying to organize it all into your own learning plan or notes. Well, folks, I close all the tabs and turn to YouMind, which calls itself the first AI creation studio. It's a platform that brings research, learning, and content creation together in one workspace. Let's see how it could totally change the way you learn something like Python. I log in and see the dashboard, clean and minimalist. It asks me to create a new board so I can have a project space. I click New Board and type in Learn Python Fundamentals for Beginners. I can pick an educational prompt group and check out examples in the Write, Create, or Live group. Let's feed it the prompt, guys, and it sets up a new board for learning Python fundamentals for beginners. Then I see strategies and a study plan ready to go. And almost all the tabs I would have had open before are now right there. This tool puts everything in one place, in one workflow, so I don't have to switch between sources. Everything I need is right there, folks, easy to access, while the system works on processing the materials. It uses everything I had in those tabs before, and now I just wait for the final result. Note that all of this happens in just a few seconds. The smart tool automatically found over 20 web pages and 3 videos about Python control functions and data structures. It pulled everything from trusted sources, like the official Python documentation, Real Python, Geeks for Geeks, and more. On top of that, it created a full research report based on all the collected materials. Now, guys, you see the board is fully organized, complete structure, draft, everything we need to learn Python. When I open the board, everything is in one place. And by following the tutorial YouMind prepared for us, I can install Python, write my first program, and start learning as a beginner. Here we've got the basics: getting started, core concepts, data structures, and control flow with logic. Everything is right here in one place. I can also use the chat to start a new conversation or ask a question about the current article. You can even describe a task to the agent, and it will break it down for you. And folks, you can make notes, highlight key points, and basically create your own summary. There's even an option to generate a 3-minute audio summary of the content it gathered for you. There's also a reader feature that turns key points into a mind map-style summary. You can ask in the chat about any source or even request practical code examples. You can upload files, access all items in your dashboard, or use the agent role to find or generate extra content. Or just ask a question and use one of the tools like search the web, write text, or create an image. You can also make a diagram or even create audio. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Let's try something practical, guys. Generate a Python coding exercise. And just like that, it creates an if-else statement. I wait for the result, and perfect. It analyzed 3 more resources and added a few exercises. I can see all of them with example solutions, and even try the solutions directly in my programming environment. It also shows exactly what it did and which key points it used. I can choose to apply one or more tools. For example, folks, the Create Diagram tool can help me make a beginner-friendly explanation of Python loops and turn it into a diagram. I'll ask it to do that and wait for the diagram to generate. And here it is, complete with examples of while and for loops, ready for learning. I can edit it, copy it to my clipboard, or save it and see it in my materials. There's also a beginner-friendly guide explaining these loops in simple language, with practical examples that are easy to understand for newcomers. Everything is broken down into key differences, with code snippets showing what happens, tips for success, and practice exercises. And it's all in one place, in one chat, guys. It's super convenient and really well organized. And now I want to make an infographic about Python using the Create Image tool. I choose the size, pick a new model called NanoBanana, and select a style, Pixar. I generate the infographic for the topic, and here's the result. This is awesome, folks, because doing this manually would take a lot of time. I can save the image, extract text from it, download it, or copy the link to it. Everything is fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. On top of that, it even created an accompanying tutorial text for the new feature I asked it to do. So I told it to make an image, and it also wrote a full explanation of the topic, complete with examples, exercises, common mistakes, and challenges. Guys, everything is organized in a way I can easily save to my notes and come back to later. It's a full learning setup, a structured study plan, a place to run and develop my own programs, a workspace for diagrams and infographics. YouMind is incredibly powerful. In just 15 minutes, I produced what used to take me hours. It gathered materials from dozens of sources, generated code examples, created diagrams, and built a full learning structure. It's not just saving time, folks. It's a completely different approach to learning and content creation. This isn't just another AI assistant. It's a fully integrated learning ecosystem. It combines research automation, intelligent content synthesis, and multimedia generation. No more dozens of tabs to get lost in. Everything is in one place. There's even a Chrome extension, guys, so I can save or ask AI questions and automatically add sources to my boards, which I can organize by learning steps, notes, or creative projects I generate. It can search the web for up-to-date info, create diagrams for visual learning, generate audio for podcasts, and write structured content for any purpose. This is especially powerful for technical learning, where you need to combine theory with practice, code with explanations, and different types of content, all in one seamless workflow. And I can even create a quiz based on this node. I'll ask it to make a Python coding quiz with 3 exercises. I'll create a short description of what I want in the quiz, hit generate, and it starts working, folks. It takes the node I've got and turns it into a full quiz. Let's wait for the result. And here it is. We can see the quiz overview and examples of the exercises. There are also sample solutions with detailed explanations and even scoring guidelines for grading. We can accept it right away. We can call this feature the Universal Quiz Generator, guys. You just describe what kind of quiz you want, and it analyzes the selected article or node to create it. Let's try this quiz generator for a topic like Python data structures. I'll choose that node and select my shortcut called Universal Quiz Generator. The system analyzes the article and generates a practical quiz. And here it is, folks. It also shows the structure of the quiz and creates a new node called Python Data Structures Comprehensive Practice Quiz. Everything is applied in a practical way. It's really great, just like what we did manually before, but now it's automated with a universal shortcut. And we can apply this to any node we have. Alright guys, so here's my final take on YouMind. Honestly, this tool feels like a game changer. It turns what used to take me hours, gathering resources, making notes, creating exercises, diagrams and tutorials, into something I can do in just minutes. Everything is organized, all in one place, and super beginner-friendly. If you're serious about learning more efficiently or leveling up your skills, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Hit the link in the description to sign up for free. And don't forget to use the promo code to get 20% off any paid plan. Limited time offer, don't miss it. Do you see yourself using something like this for your learning, or do you prefer the traditional way with multiple tabs and notes? If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.